In this video, I'll show you how to send money on PayPal for free and what to avoid so you don't get charged. First, open the PayPal app and log in. Tap Send, then choose Friends and Family if you're sending money to someone you know, like a friend or relative. This is the option PayPal treats as a personal transfer, not a business payment. Next, enter your recipient's name, email, or mobile number, type the amount, and go to the payment method screen. To keep it free, select PayPal balance or your linked bank account as the funding source. PayPal says domestic friends and family payments are free when funded by your PayPal balance or bank. What to avoid? If you pay using a debit or credit card, PayPal charges a fee. Also, if you're sending internationally or if there's a currency conversion, extra fees can apply depending on your country and the payment. Finally, review the summary, confirm it shows no fee, then tap Send. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.